In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF files into one in iLovePDF. We'll be walking through the process in a simple, clear way so you can combine multiple PDF documents into a single file without any confusion. This is especially useful if you have separate pages, reports, forms, or scanned documents that you want to keep together in one organized PDF. To begin, go to the Workspace page. Once the workspace loads, take a moment to look over the interface so you can easily spot the tools available to you. If this is your first time here, don't worry. The process is very straightforward. Next, click on Organize in the left navigation menu. This section is where you'll find tools related to managing and rearranging PDF files. Opening the correct category first makes it easier to find the Merge option quickly. After that, click on Merge. This will open the tool used to combine multiple PDF files into one document. At this stage, you're preparing the workspace for the files you want to join together. Now click on Upload New Files. This option is useful if the PDF documents you want to merge are saved on your device and need to be added into the workspace. If your files are already available in the platform, you can use the alternative option instead. Then click on Choose from Recent Files. This lets you select files that were already uploaded or recently used, which can save time and make the process more convenient. It's a good option if you've already been working with these PDFs and don't want to upload them again. From there, select two PDF files. Be sure to choose the correct documents, since these are the ones that will be combined into a single file. It's also a good idea to quickly confirm that the files are in the order you want before moving ahead, because the final merged PDF will usually follow that same sequence. Once that's done, click on Merge Files and then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the process. Depending on the platform flow, you may see prompts related to processing, confirmation, or downloading the finished file. Just continue through those on-screen instructions until the merge is complete. And that's it. You've successfully combined two PDF files into one. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other documents as well. Following these steps carefully will help you keep your PDF files organized and easier to share.